Welcome in, guys. I'm Kevin, Marketing Director with Lowcountry Paver. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for hardscape products, specifically pavers. Different options for your patio, pool deck, driveway, walkway, whatever it may be to really round out your outdoor lifestyle. Looking around, we really couldn't find a whole lot of information that is really directed towards you, the homeowner, for information, about what pavers are specifically, how they're made, and just some general basic information that'll be helpful for you to make your decisions about your outdoor lifestyle. If you have any questions beyond what we cover here today, always feel free to reach us at 843-784-7104 or go online to lcpaver.com. You can also reach us on Instagram or Facebook at any time, and we'll be sure to respond to you. So what is a paver? The uncomplicated definition: pavers are typically constructed of concrete, natural stone, or clay brick, typically square or rectangular blocks, and they're used in driveways, patios, walkways, pool decks, and commercial applications like parking lots, roads. You probably see a lot more pavers than you think. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on concrete pavers, what we have here. This is probably what comes to mind when you hear the word paver. So what are concrete pavers? Concrete pavers are manufactured using a mixture of cement, sand, water, and aggregate, and then pressing the mixture into a mold and allowing that mold to cure for a period of time. They're available in a wide variety of shapes, styles, and configurations, but most are going to be square and rectangular. They're very easy to work with on a job site, and compared to, say, brick, they're a lot more cost effective when it comes down to having a large installation or even a small installation like your patio. They're extremely strong and durable compared to brick and natural stone, and probably will outlive us if the product is quality and properly maintained. So there are certain benefits when using concrete pavers compared to others in your hardscape project. The first is going to be durability. Since concrete pavers are constructed with, you guessed it, concrete, pavers offer a high strength in tough environments. If a paver gets stained or cracked under abnormal use, or say a tree root grows underneath your driveway, it can easily be replaced, whereas a concrete slab would crack, kind of ripple, and then you'll have to pull the whole thing out, re-pour concrete. Aesthetics are another big draw to concrete pavers, especially when you're looking at other options in pavers like natural stone and brick. Concrete pavers offer a wide variety of colors, different configurations, and you can get a lot more creative with your install of concrete pavers. So let's talk about a couple different types of concrete pavers. First off, we have traditional pavers, what we have on my left side here. And these are probably what you see when you go to the store, when you see your neighbor with a driveway or a paver patio. These are flat, traditional pavers. They do not have a permeable design, so water does not go through them, so they create an impervious surface. Some paver styles you might be familiar with are the 4x8 here, and then we also have your classic cobblestone paver, which is what a lot of people prefer when they're renovating their patio or driveway in the low country. The second type are permeable pavers, and that's what we have over here. Permeable pavers are designed a little bit differently, as they have these larger tabs on the sides of the pavers, which allow them to be connected and joined together with a larger gap in between. In that gap, there's some stone swept in, and it allows water to drain through the surface of your installation and stop that water from pooling on your driveway, on your patio. There's also some other benefits. We'll get more into the specifics of each of these in another video, so be on the lookout for that. Subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned as we'll kind of dive a little bit deeper into these two here. The last type of paver that you're probably familiar with are wall blocks. Wall blocks are used in vertical construction, so you're thinking retaining walls, you're thinking seating benches around a patio, fire pits, fireplaces, things like that, outdoor kitchens. So that pretty much wraps up the quick overview of concrete pavers for today. But stay tuned as we dive into the different types of pavers individually and the best applications for your style of home in future episodes. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and stay up to date. Feel free to give us a call at 843-784-7104. If you have any questions, we're the pros. We'll be able to answer any questions you might have about your next hardscape project. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
It's a lifestyle.